Little storyteller.
Nimbus the cloud was a happy, fluffy cloud. He loved to drift over sunny green fields. Today he floated above a very busy place. It was a Lego factory. Colorful toy bricks zoomed around inside. Nimbus watched with wide, cloudy eyes. Suddenly Nimbus felt a tickle. He wiggled and jiggled. A little shower began to fall. But these weren't water drops. They were tiny Lego bricks. Red like strawberries, yellow like bananas, and orange like juicy oranges. Below, some children were having snack time. They looked up in surprise as the colorful blocks rained down. Lily, with her bright pink bow, giggled. Tom, with his blue overalls, caught a green apple-flavored block on his tongue. Soon, all the children were collecting the yummy blocks. They built little towers in silly shapes. Then they would pop a block in their mouth for a tasty treat. It was the most fun snack time ever. A fluffy white bunny hopped over and nibbled on a blueberry block. Nimbus floated happily above. He liked making the children smile. He learned that sometimes a little surprise can make everyone's day extra special. Did you know that even clouds can have happy little accidents?
Please subscribe. Thank you.